Right, I'm going to show you how to make a coffee using our espresso machine. So we have bean grinder and coffee machine. Switch this on by pressing either of those buttons. It will take maybe a minute or so to warm up. It's warm when these are solid lights rather than flashing lights. So in the meantime, this is the bean grinder. Lid comes off, beans go in there. To use it, you just press start to switch it on. It tells you the grind time and the grind size. The grind size should be on 17, probably it's already set that way. The grind time should usually be 8.6, which is telling you how much coffee is going into the doser. So you put that in, you press the button. And now we have ground coffee in there. You need to tamp this down, you can't put this in straight away. So you have these heavy weights where you push it down, probably with about 5 kilograms. Turn it slightly, so it's now flat. Put it in there, twist it round. It's now a solid light, so it's ready to go. Put the cup underneath. All right, coffee done. Now, so that's ready. Yep, that's good. Now to clean it out, take it over to the bin with a teaspoon. Empty your grounds into the bin. And rinse out the coffee. And that's it. It's important to rinse it out though, because the stale coffee, if it's used again, will give a sort of burnt and sort of stale flavour to the coffee. So it's important to start from a clean thing. And that's it.